Good morning. Good morning. Sorry about that. We are a little late today. We don't have much news this week. This is the calendar for the week. We have a couple speakers, and then we have Powell. I think he's testifying, Congress or Senate, whatever. Wednesday and Thursday. Then we have unemployment claims on Thursday, and consumer sentiment on Friday. So pretty quiet week. And because of that, I do expect the week to be a little bit of ranging. Okay, and this is the overnight. This is the overnight high, overnight low, and as you see here, we came from 91 on Friday. 91 on Friday. That was the high of the day, and then we started to come back. But if you see here, this is a COT from October 18th. See how we came to this area, and now we're trying to come back down. My short term. Hey Beto, how's it going? Morning. Our intermediate time frame is neutral bearish. After we break to this high, like this high, we'll be breaking market structure to the upside, and then that will make us neutral bullish on the intermediate. But for now, we are neutral bearish still. And on the lower time frame, we are neutral 100%. We don't have news. We don't have like earnings that could impact the market in a great manner, like we had last week with the Apple, and the previous week with the all the fangs and stuff, Amazon and Google and Microsoft. The dollar, and let's go take a look at the dollar real quick. We're off, but we still have time. The dollar has been coming down very sharply here. The high was on October 3rd, and then we went sideways the entire month of October, and now we're coming down, breaking out from that range. Now, we're bouncing a little bit. I will expect the dollar to come to this area for me to sell the dollar, meaning going long in the equity markets. Let's see how this goes. On what the dollar is doing today is just going sideways. This is the London Open right here. We're just ranging around the London Open. So I don't have any bias, but neutral on the dollar. Rates, yes, rates are going up a little bit, but it has some resistance here and supply up here at 4.7. So I will be monitoring this. I want to pay attention to the internals mainly today to give me more like a directional bias intraday. Okay, I have few locations. This is the blue lines, is the COT for Friday, right? So this is the majority of volume traded on Friday on the RTH right here. And this is the range extension to the downside, and the range extension to the upside is 44.35. I don't expect for the ES to complete these ranges this week. I'm watching the ATR just deflecting to the downside. That means that volatility has come down a little bit. The VIX is around 15 from 20. So that tells me that probably the range is not gonna get exhausted every day. Okay, that doesn't mean it won't happen. That's the likely scenario. Okay. Did we get to 91? No, we did not. Okay, let's go to the execution tab, and let's see what the internals are saying. Yo, sorry. Advanced decline barely flat and is pointing down. And the tick chart opened up at zero, now it's negative. It never went above zero, by the way. Even though we're gapping up, advanced decline is negative, so probably we will have a pullback. If this thing doesn't change, we might have a pullback. Where to? Well, we do have the close from Friday is 43.75. Remember, we're coming from a high time frame, higher probability supply, which is 43.90. My ideal scenario, what I'm thinking of right now is I hope this thing comes to 91 so I can short it as it is right now because of the advanced decline is coming down. Tick chart is negative and the market is just holding up there. Or another scenario is we break to the downside from the this range, this opening range, and we short off of 82 on the retest. Let's see how this goes. I don't want to see the advanced decline changing though. If I want to short. Hmm. This is weird. What is going on in this chart? Look at this. Oh, because I have two. I have two. Yeah. I understand now. Let me get rid of this. Yes. Get rid of this. Yeah. I think we gotta wait to the 490. What do you say? Let's practice some FOMO control. Now last week I lost all my trades because of FOMO. The directions were good, and I lost them all because of FOMO, meaning I was just trading off of random areas. I wanna look for a good location. So what is a good location today? 491. That's one. If we create some sort of area here, right? If we create some sort of area here, like breaking this low, bouncing. Now here we're sort of like creating something, right? If we bounce from here and then we don't get to 91, but we blow this area below, this is another good location for us to short this 82, right? What do you say, Ale? Hmm? Yeah, my FOMO is kicking off. I think it's not gonna get to 91. Look at the advanced decline. Look at the tick. You know what? Let's do this. Since my main concern right now is me getting in random areas, I'm just gonna say this. Either he breaks down and I take the retest, or I take the 92, period. That's what I don't care what it does. If it bounces from 89, and then I thought that would be a good location. I do think 92 or 90, sorry, 91 is the right location. Now we have a disconnection from the other markets. The RTY is going down, while the Nasdaq is going up. So this, what is probably holding up this market is, yeah, banks actually. There you go. Yeah, banks are going up big time. There's a big disconnection between the advanced decline and um the market. Yes, and look at the tick chart, and the dollar is just hovering around London Open. Probably this is a good trade, but I really want to get to the ultimate area, which is 91. And since I am exercising and practicing, just getting rid of my FOMO, I will not take this trade. Okay, I will just wait for this to get to 91, or if we create this sort of break and retest to the downside, I will take it from here. What do you guys think? Long, short? What areas do you guys have? It's good to share. So it's not just one channel communication, one direction. It's better if we share and yeah, let's do this. Yeah, the short is looking a lot better. Like look at the advanced line minus 900. Picture hasn't gone not even to zero, even though we're gapping up and we are at Friday COT. Now we have the Dow following and the Russell following. Uh, the Nasdaq was going up. Now it's started to give up a little bit. Pearson, I don't use it. I have it in one of my charts here. Let me show it to you. I don't engage in trades off of the view app, but a lot of professional traders use view app. Here I have this one. And it has nothing to do with the indicator. I think it's a good indicator, but it's me using the indicator. If you want to watch one of the videos that I made about indicators, it's not about the indicators. The indicators can work, um, but I don't work well using the indicators. I just watch it as a reference, and I don't have it on all the time. Yes, yes. That doesn't mean the market is gonna drop to 4,200 today. We have gap close at 43.75. There's enough room for us to short and get to 75 and close that gap at least. We have three major gaps in the last week. So I don't know what's going on with the S&P, but it tends to close the gap big time. So what is my invalidation point if I want to engage here? My invalidation point will be here. And I have barely 2.5 R. Yeah, so I missed this 82.25. What if I come here? It'll make me 1 R. I'm gonna get in, Ale. Uh, yeah, if it gets into 82, I don't know, but I don't think it's gonna get it to 82. What do you say? Yeah, but the thing is that I missed it now. All right, so we're here. There you go, a minute. And my risk is this. Let's see if we can. 85, 25. 85.25. If we break to the upside, then I'll wait till 90. And my target will be gap close. max. Some point of exhaustion there on the tick. Huge disconnection between advanced decline and the market. Did we close the gap or no? Did we? Gap close is down 75, right? Where's your gap close?
My gap close is
75? Yeah. Because trading view shows that 77. Yeah, we did. Oh no, 78. We got to. So what is this? Oh no, I'm watching the 30-minute here. But this is after 4, so this is not technically the gap close. On the buy side, I don't. I need to see the internals on my side for me to buy this. But I figured the closing the gap and 77.50 right here is somewhere of a good area to buy. But the internals are not for the long right now.
right.
75. The Dow is supporting the move. Now the Nasdaq started to move a little bit down on the RTH session. Still positive for the day. Last 5 minutes on the 15. See what this brings us. Bro, still the tick chart is negative. What do you say?
Where these work.
Yeah, the thing is the location, right? Some big sell orders there and absorbed by buyers. Yeah, he's holding up a lot. Fangs are holding big time. Fangs are holding big time. What about tick, bro? Look at the tick.
Hold up.
Yeah, buyers showing up there. It's very choppy. So, but I have a wide stop is 5 points for this choppiness. If it gets to the supply, I'll take it short again. It's just chopping around there. New 5 minutes and new 30. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go up before it goes down. Or the tick chart is going to change now. Yeah, big time buyers here. Big time buyers. See if they can push this. Mhm. That was it. That was it with this movement. Yeah, probably. Yes. Yeah, buyers are showing up there, but and sellers have no strength to continue pushing prices down. That's amazing. I would like to see this 5 minutes breaking 77, but it's not. Buyers are holding up there big time. Big fangs, yeah, fangs are holding up tremendously, bro. Still, tick chart negative, right? Advanced decline very negative. It should come down, but it's not. Now volume is lower though. Pedro, welcome. You have something, Ale? Yeah. Wow, that's a lot of selling there. Probably stops being triggered. Yeah, breakout right now is not a good thing. The picture hasn't broken 600 minus 600. But look at that. Every time we go to minus 600, the thing bounces. We're creating a range here. So a bunch of stops being triggered in the previous on this 1 minute, a bunch of stops were triggered here. And they're taking it up. I don't know. That is probably it with the down move. No volatility. Yeah. Amazing. Still, advanced decline making a new fresh low. Look at that. Minus 1200. Yeah, I mean, the short is it's a no-brainer. For now. Now, my location is not optimal, right? This is the last 5 minutes of the 15. Let's see how this goes. I think if we fail to break here, I'm gonna just take whatever I have or break even whatever. We should be breaking now, and we're not. Minus, oof, a lot of selling, bro. No follow through. A lot of selling. This should be dropping. 75, but we have the overnight low here at 76.25. I don't know. We should be getting to the target in these next 2 more minutes. If we bounce, probably I will just bail out my trade. So overnight low there and bouncing. 3 more minutes for this 15. Two more minutes. Now we're below minus 600. That's good. I want to see something like minus 8, 900 on the tick. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop at this point, break even. One more minute. This should be accelerating to the downside. 40 seconds for the next 15. We're barely 2 ticks from target. Hmm. Yeah. And actually, it didn't touch my target. No, it didn't. Now we have a buying candle right there. Let's see how this goes. Yeah. No bueno. We need sellers to come in aggressively here. Bro, I was one tick of target. One tick. And we did have a buying signal there on the footprint. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Money. He also aggressive.
Nah. Well, but nevertheless, we did have some buyers there.
How much are you?
Fuck, one tick. Oh shit. I'm gonna get break even. At this point, I do think break even is possible. Yeah, no, forget about it. Like, we didn't touch it though. We didn't touch it. It is what it is. I am better off just hitting my target and not just clicking because if I click and then it gets to my target, I just screw my risk and reward ratio.
So was it?
Yeah, 75. So frustrating, bro. There's no volatility now. And I'm not willing now to risk the entire area. I'm not willing to risk the entire area, and the reality is that I was look at that shit. Oh my god. How can you maintain your mental well-being when this happens, bro? It's so frustrating with that shit. Oh shit. I'm not willing to move my stop off of break even because it can reach 85 again. I don't want to risk that. It's not that I like the long. I don't like the long, but the retracement can kill me. No, I should have acted. Yeah, there you go. I'm out. Oh my god. I need 5 minutes off, guys. Marico, when I saw the signal of the footprint, you see that? The opposite signal? Should have just closed my trade. You see that, right?
Yeah,
I told you.
400 y
Mm,
algo,
eh,
sí.
mm,
Negative.
Look at the candle at 1016. Is plus 391. Sorry, minus 209 to plus 346 at the end. Now is a drop. That's a drop. No, that is a drop. Hmm? Actually, you know what? I either wait for the 91 or I'm not gonna trade anymore. Yeah, and it's supposed to, right? Come, so look at the fucking advanced clients. There's no brainer. Look at that shit. What a disconnection is from the market, bro. Huh? It's amazing. For those who are trying the long, I don't think the long is a possibility today. I don't. I mean, if it goes up, uh, internal should change. And look, if it goes long, it is what it is. Like I just misread the market, but just please open my eyes if I'm just reading it wrong. Ale.
I mean, we that's what we said 30 minutes ago. Look at the tick. Market is
Mm.
saying short. It's just where do you get in short?
When?
Where do you get in short? It's all about
Yeah, ideally up there at 91.
I mean, yeah.
Spider. Yeah, probably. Yeah, there were 75, 75, 75. Where is it? What time was that? 15. I have 28 contracts. Yeah, I see it. But that's the ES. I'm trading the MES. I'm trading the MES, and the MES did not get to 25. He got to sorry to 75. He got to 75 25. 75 one quarter. He did not get to mine. It's hard. Um if probably that's my mistake. Where's the gap close? Yeah, the closing price is 75 in the MES. Um um my mistake, I think. But we can talk just in hindsight, and it's not valid. Like I'm risking my money and my my money and my reputation trading live, right? In real time. Like I'm not just looking at this in hindsight and say, "Oh, I should have put my stop here or my what." No, I make mistakes, and my mistakes for me, my mistake in this trade was just watching the footprint, having a long signal here at 1016, and just ignoring the signal. And I had an opportunity to close it, to be honest. But then I was attached to the trade. I wanted to go to my target. Um, I that I don't know. That I don't know. But look, it's just one tick. If I had it two ticks above, I would have gotten it. But I didn't. So it's not just matter of one tick or changing everything because I didn't hit this target. It's just frustrating, right? But I need to just cool off and just get over it and go for another trade. That's it. And I knew that could happen. That could happen because of the 15-minute. I was watching the 15-minute and calling the seconds, like 40 seconds, 30 seconds, and I just did shit. I didn't do anything, right? Yes. Yeah, that's the right way to approach it. If not, you're gonna get crazy. Now, I get frustrated. I think I and get frustrated. Getting frustrated as a human being is perfectly normal. Now you just analyze what happened and get over it. Like, if not, you're gonna get stuck in the stupidity of thinking what could have happened. Period. That's Now there is a big disconnection between the internals and price action. Big disconnection. Let's see the other markets. The Russell is minus 1%.
How's that?
Dow's flat. Nasdaq is flat. Yes, it's flat. Now, for those who think that the market is gonna go up to the moon without a pullback, that is just unrealistic. Having three major gaps, we did have big gaps last week. Those gaps tend to be filled before 2 weeks passes. That's the 80% of them. Bro, a thick chart and advanced plan like this is the best thing ever. Huh? Sí. Nah, just it's funny. Eso, los gurús. Well, that's the only way we can have an edge, Pearson. That's the only way we have an edge. Because if everything is aligned all the time, there's no way to trade. That's my point, right? Uh, unless you take all the levels. Like, all right, I'm gonna short at 4,400, or if it gets to 4,350, I'm gonna long, and so on, right? And that'll be just the market markets would dictate your fate. In the meantime, you can try to find an edge with other things, correlations, price action, you name it. For me, is correlations with internals and the dollar. Okay. Yeah.
Flower.
So you don't believe the market could drop? That's what are you saying, Pearson? And look, it might not drop. The internals could catch up, and then um everything will be like within the parameters, right? Because yeah, the market was like um in some way front running the internals. That's probably what you're trying to say. And to be honest, price action trumps everything, right? Because we trade off of the ES, not the advanced decline, whatever. Um, when I say disconnection, is that look, uh, the advanced decline is just going down sharply. Now it's hovering around minus 1300, right? And the market is just sideways. Um, that could be propped by fangs. Fangs are holding up very nice today, very nicely. They're sideways, but they gapped up and they are holding. Um, all the fangs: Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Tesla is negative, but not by much. Meta is up, Nvidia is up, Amazon is up. That is what is holding the market. These seven stocks. Likely to drop, but there are intermittent pops between the overall downs. Yeah, yeah. That's why it's so. That's why I was not willing to keep up with my trade here with um um because of my entry. My entry was not optimal. I did have 82. 82 is a little bit better, but still is not the best entry. Um, for me, the best entry is close to 91, 92, somewhere around this area. Now, if we get to this level and the advanced decline is still showing what it's showing right now, I don't think we will get here, but let's say we get to 91. That's an automatic fade for me. That is going to be an automatic trade. Um, just resting order there and wait for it to either stop me out or get to my target. And I think this type of price action is attracting a lot of retail buying, thinking that the market cannot drop. Pero qué arrecho. Llegamos a cuánto fue el. Oh, what do you mean? No, en el TIC. El negativo fue menos 884. Minus 900, actually. Yeah, we haven't have like a big ass volume candle yet, right? Hmm? So you haven't taken any trade yet? Good, good. Behind on your credit card bills? Pick up the phone. Your landlord wanted to evict you? ¿Cómo es que dicen? ¿Cómo es que es la frase completa, marico? I don't remember it. Where?
What?
No, what do I see there? What do I see there? I don't know, man. I'm being short biased, but it's just sideways. It's no sort of magic, bro. It's just reading the internals, indicators, whatever you like. Yeah, it's just going sideways. I have 91 for the short. Like I already was in the chop, close to my target. It reversed, took me out for a break even. That's it. I'm not getting in this chop anymore. I like the short. You decide where to take it. For me, it's just breaking all this thing to the upside. I'm not gonna get in inside the chop. That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's very important to get in a good location. No problem.
We've been raging the overnight high and low the whole day.
Yeah. And now we're building value there. Hmm. And look, we don't have any catalyst this week, so we have Powell speaking on Wednesday and Friday and Thursday. Let me look. Where is he gonna be speaking? Probably Congress or Senate, whatever. I don't know. Oh no, it's a panel discussion on monetary challenges in a global economy. Washington D.C. That's Thursday, and on Wednesday, uh, opening remarks on Division of Research and Statistics Centennial. How do you pronounce this word? Conference in DC. Yeah, whatever. And then on Friday we have a consumer sentiment, which is a red folder, but yeah, not something that is gonna just tank the market. Early gym session?
Yes.
Huh?
I guess.
Yeah.
You're ready for today, right?
Yeah. I'm making a little bit of money, like couple bucks in every account. Look at that shit. Look. Like I don't know why. Yeah. Yeah, like the delay worked on my favor there. It is what it is. Bro, look at tick chart. Tick chart has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 minutes off of 81 minutes. So 10% of the time, tick chart has been on the north of zero. No, incredible, man. I haven't seen this. The market is positive. Well, it's flat, but look at that. The vast majority of stocks are going down. Uh, no, this is a pure sideways day. This is, as of now, it's a pure sideways day. If we have a leg down, and we close down, that will be a single distribution day. If we move to either side and we stayed in another range, will be a double variation day. Sorry, a double distribution day. Yeah, I think we're gonna go work out. We're gonna stay for a little bit, but yeah, it doesn't look good. I mean, it's not something positive or negative. It doesn't look good to take a trade. It's just chopping around. Build value. Now we have to understand one thing. The VIX has come down sharply. It came down sharply last week. Oh, let me show this. So we need to be aware of that because if because having a low VIX, that means less volatility. This is the chart for the VIX. Look at that shit. From 21 to 1490 in a week.
Is that just today?
This is today. This we're up, but we just barely 1%. And we gapped down, but we didn't sustain the gap. Sorry, we gapped up, but we didn't sustain the gap. So we're just going down again. I'm not good at these trend lines, by the way. I'm very bad at them.
Yeah, today was a no trade day, honestly. This price action.
I mean,
break even, I think is a win. This price action. Unless is that what we're looking for? Yes.
look, the 82 here was not a bad location, but it was just one thing. Probably it's 2 entries. When I got in,
What was your entry? What was your like price? The exact price?
81, 83 quarters.
83 quarter.
Yeah, let me change this. Change this to I want KN or something that I can see. Yeah, there we go.
So you were up 5 points.
I think so. Yeah. Here I was up. Yeah, but my best entry was here. So if I 7 points up, and I got barely 550. Yeah. Yeah, what happened here that triggered me was 947. Like, let's go check 947 here. 947. This. Oh no, this one. Yeah, this one. This one triggered my entry. You see that? The 946. It was plus 235 and ended up minus almost 500. This is what triggered me. But I got filled here and then it suddenly boom.
You got in market, right?
Yeah, I got in market. Yeah.
So if you got in, what's the price? That one that you.
82 3/4 would have been
perfect.
yeah, a lot better.
Will you tell us to be 35?
Yes, yes, but no, I cannot tell you what should have done or what it would have done. Like yeah, it's just doesn't matter. What matters is what happened. That's good. I mean, the short at 91, 92 is still valid, to be honest. Where you were short or you were long? What was your entry, Nadik? You were long 78.50. 78.50. And then you got a break even or what? Wow, if you got a break even, that was the friggin' low of this swing. Yeah. Honestly, I don't feel like longing. I know the majority of people are probably long biased because of the last week, and it makes sense, right? Now, internals are not saying long, and I'm just waiting for prices to come to 91 to see if I can short. If advanced decline stays like it is right now and tick chart the same, that'll be an automatic fade. But honestly, it looks like more sideways, or probably in the afternoon. And the afternoon is hard for me to take a trade. ¿Espalda hoy?
¿Dita o pet?
No, no, espalda, para variar un poquito. ¿Tú hice espalda cuándo? El miércoles.
Contigo no.
No, no, tú no viniste el miércoles. ¿Qué hice hoy? No tuiteado. Bro, we gotta get used to this type of days because this is the real market. Yeah.
This is the real.
Yeah.
So no points. Target.
Well, look at the VIX, bro. VIX is always low. Hmm. Nice.
Oh, grind though, bro. Market, I think.
There's no grinding anywhere, bro. It's just sideways. We're the open. So you're not gonna take anything?
I doubt it. Maybe 94, but too late. It's always good. If this move, this right here would look like 94, maybe.
I don't know.
go to first.
What do you say?
As we go to China.
Is it like 11:30? Fine. Fine. No, I don't know. I haven't taken anything else. Just waiting for the 91. If it gets there, I'll probably if I'm here, I'll short. If not, I'll just wait because it's just chopping. No chance for us. We're gonna leave. See you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so we can grow the channel. See you guys tomorrow. Take care.